Hi, I'm Amelia from Doxy.me, here to introduce virtual background. Instead of showing your surroundings during an appointment, virtual background digitally replaces what's behind you. It's a simple way to look more professional, reduce distractions, and protect your privacy during a virtual visit. We offer a range of virtual backgrounds to help you set the right scene. Choose a medical background to create a clinical, trustworthy atmosphere, or bring a touch of tranquility with a natural background. Or my personal favorite, this background, because it blends professionalism with comfort. Now let's put it into practice. My colleague Anish is joining us to help with a demo to show how to add a virtual background before or during an appointment. Here we are on the dashboard. Let's go ahead and add a virtual background before an appointment. Simply hover over your video preview, click the three dots, select virtual background, and choose a design you like. In this example, let's go with this background. That's it. Your virtual background is set and will appear at the start of the appointment. You can also add or change your virtual background while you're in a session and transform the visual mood or setting instantly. Here's how. From the control bar, just click the three dots, select virtual background, and choose a background. It's that easy. From privacy to professionalism to playful moments, virtual background helps you set the right tone for every visit. Give it a try and see how it transforms your next appointment.